Right now, what if I could show you a way where you can tailor the products to the customers? That's right, what I'm going to be showing you on Shopify today actually does that. It builds in a quiz into your Shopify store. Now, why is that important? It's because it will tailor certain products to those people. Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to get this, what it gives you, and also demo a store for you. So you're going to get all the benefits plus real live action. And then I'm also going to be showing you exactly how you can be completely hands-free with your dropshipping with a fulfillment service that will blow you out the park. That's right, it will source the product, do the product pictures, and also deliver that product all for you in a click of a button. That's right, I'm going to jump straight into this video and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Right, so up first, this is the quiz one. It's RevenueHunt Recommender Quiz. And as you can see, it is built by Shopify. What does that mean? It says it there, it's the highest quality standards for speed, ease of use, and merchant value. There is a free plan available where everything is unlocked. You can literally experience this for free. You can have it on your Shopify store and show you exactly what it does. But let's see, what does it do? So it quizzes and drive sales, advertising customers on finding the right products. Collect actionable data, send captured leads to your mailing list or CRM. Customize your quiz design from images, fonts, layout to full custom CSS. Work with one of your account managers to build and launch the quiz as well. Now it gives you a couple of ideas here, so help your customers find the right products. Let's be honest, why do you think that benefits you? Comment down below. However, what it does do, it increases the engagement. Okay, now having the increased engagement means that they feel connected to your store. If you're giving them certain criterias, what they're looking for, how they're finding it, what they're actually trying to look for, you can tailor that towards your product. So for example, the one I'm going to be showing you is a skincare. When I go through it all, it asks you nice and simple questions and then we'll give you the perfect product at the end. Now I know you're already watching this and finding it useful already, and you can probably think that how could this benefit me? If you're selling trainers, for example, if you're looking for high tops or you're looking for sneakers or you're looking for any of those, then instead of browsing through hundreds of products, you can give them a top 5 or even give them top 3 or even the perfect one product. Me personally, I know if more stores had the quiz, I would do it hands down, and I'm sure you would as well. The best part of this as well is it's an easy setup as well. You can literally, like it says there, you get more leads, boost sales with video quizzes, and you collect data as well. Now, why is collecting data? Because honestly, getting the purchase, you want to keep that person in your line as well. You can have email lists, you can have text messages or WhatsApp community or anything like that, because everything that they get, you'll be put into the CRM. You can then tailor that towards other products. And then like it says here, custom quiz design to match your store's look and feel. You can pick one of the pre-designed quiz templates, personalize your shopper experience with custom results and page layouts. You can connect with third-party apps as well, for example MailChimp, where you can have those email lists as well. But let's dive straight into the demo store that they have to offer. So instead of clicking view all and viewing all of their products and seeing right which one will be perfect for me, at the very top you can have this lovely banner where it says take our quiz. Now we're going to take our quiz. My name is Joshua, and then loved you to meet you. What's your age? Okay, so in my 30s, keep that to yourself. And then how does your skin feel on an average day? Okay, so I'm gonna go not too oily, not too dry. So I have normal skin. I appreciate that. What are your main skin concerns? Okay, we're gonna go with fine line and wrinkles. I'm getting old. Okay, don't comment about that, but we're gonna move on. Okay, so is your skin sensitive to any of the following? Lavender, rose, tea tree, aloe vera, witch hazel, citrus. I'm actually lucky I don't have any of those, but obviously there are good ones to point out. Okay, leave us your email. We're going to skip that just so I don't have to do it. So here's your morning routine. Step 1, morning cleanser. Step 2, serum. Step 3, moisturizer. And step 4, sun cream. Okay, so as you can see, these are the 4 products out of the multiple in that store that they recommend me purchasing. Now, obviously, if I'm looking for a serum, none of the stress cause long-term damage to your skin, bang, I can add that to cart. Once you've done that, one in the cart. Add this to cart, so on, so forth. And then it gives you a nighttime routine as well. So this is how easy it is and tailor-made you can do to your store. Whether you want to give them a step process of purchasing different products, or if you want to just go for that one product perfect, then let's be honest, having that quiz, it feels personal and engaging as well. Like even me just doing this demo store, I'm looking at these and thinking, oh, actually, I might actually use this. And this is just a demo store. So you can imagine the impact it will have on customers that are actually looking for your perfect product. Now, talking of products, let me show you Fulfillman. So Fulfillman, this is Fulfillment Services, fulfillment.com. Links will be down in the description, everything you see in this video. But why am I showing showing you this is because it's a global fulfillment and drop shipping service, sourcing from China, branding and product photography services for Shopify, WooCommerce, Amazon and more. As we go down, we can see what can they do for you. They do the drop shipping, they source in China, Amazon FBA, product photography, crowdfunding, fulfillment and a private line as well. Why should you choose them? It's global reach, local expertise, personalized support and cost effective. Who is it for? Entrepreneurs, small businesses, drop shippers and global brands. Can you imagine not having the 1,000 boxes behind you, doing all of that yourself, getting an order in, finding it, labeling it up, sending it out? This cuts all of that for you. Drop shipping is still profitable in 2025, but obviously you want to know how does it work. Nice and simple. You select the products from the extensive catalog, integrate it with your store, mark it, and then you sell it while they handle all the order fulfillment and shipping directly to your customer. So you cut out the middleman massively. And like it says here, seamless integration across all platforms. You can see Shopify, Amazon, eBay, just to name a few. Multiple different client testimonials as well. You can see some of these have been with fulfillment for over 3 years as well, with multiple different Trustpilot reviews as well. So this is a company that's been going for a long time and a big name in the industry. So could you actually imagine having the fulfillment and also that quiz? You're literally creating a store that's hands-free. You can have everything in there, set it all up in the back office, and then that is your literally blueprint to making more money and getting your time back. Because making money is okay, but getting that time back is where it sits. You can literally go to bed and make money while you sleep. While everyone does that, the orders will be shipped, fulfillment service will be done, and that quiz will make it that personal touch that honestly I don't see on many websites. I don't know whether you do. Let me know down in the comments if you have seen that quiz before. But there we have it, guys. That was the fulfillment service and drop shipping from China, and also that personalized quiz from RevenueHunt. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.